Villa money plant. It was a very small plant and a small moss rod over here. I had planted in leca. It's a year-old plant now. Now the plant is overgrowing the moss rod. So I've just come up with an idea to extend this moss. Got this stick from DIY. Inserted, made a hole in the moss rod up, and now I've taken another moss, so it gets inside this. It's supporting, and now I will place this right here. The plant continues to get a support. I have not disturbed it from the smaller moss. This clips at every node. And that's it.